Oh,
You
how
take
are
shower?
you? Yeah. Yeah. Where is Naeem?
Name is talking good mobile phone.
Oh, this is our lab for
Xbox.
Xbox One, mostly Xbox. And I can show you. Are you? Everything is off. Okay. What is this? Oh my God! This one is my most favorite dish. Wow! 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 Wow. From Dubai?
From Tunis.
Tourist?
Tunis, yeah, from Africa.
What? Yeah, please tell me the exact name. What is the name
My
of
name
your
is
country?
Majdi.
Yeah, no, not your name. Your country name.
My country name is Tunisia.
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 But I found no Tunisia
Tunisia is
on the net.
it's in extra North Africa. Country, small country in Africa.
At last
Like
today we are both together.
Yeah, I'm
And,
coming here to take course or repair.
And
This
what
is-
about your inner city visit today? To
Today
Lahore.
it's good. It's safety. Yes, it's safety Lahore.
It's
Safety, yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, I enjoy it. I enjoy it.
Wow.
People are helpful also.
Yeah.
They help me for everything.
Wow.
Yeah, it's easy.
Good. So sorry for late. I was actually I mean I was suffering with fever
Yeah.
and I'm on medicine. So it was very hard to decide should I take shower or not. So for so long I was thinking should I take, should I not, should I take. After I got into shower and there got horrible shivering and my body was breakdown. It was very horrible.
You are okay now.
Yeah, now I again take medicine and here with you because your love, your dedication make me available here with you again. Thank you very much. Now we will learn some new things about electronics and about consoles, and surely we'll share with you. Thank you.
Yeah. Share and subscribe. Share and subscribe.
Share and subscribe.
In this channel.
Yes. Thank you.